stop.
No, it just went straight through.
Yeah, right. I was right the whole time. I knew I was right. It's about the diesel. I said it was a diesel. I was right.
Andy's one.